What's the meaning of amber? Amber. 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 Amber.
Amber is a yellowish-orange color that is reminiscent of the gemstone of the same name. It is often associated with warmth, comfort, and a sense of calmness. This hue is commonly used in interior design and fashion to add a touch of elegance and sophistication. Additionally, it can represent determination, as amber is fossilized tree resin that has endured for millions of years, symbolizing perseverance and fortitude. Overall, the color amber is a versatile and meaningful shade that can evoke a range of emotions and connotations.